Hey y'all, so I'm making dinner tonight and I just wanted to show you what we're doing. So we made a prime rib roast on the smoker over the weekend and we have a bunch left over. So I'm gonna be making some meals that include steak. So it's ribeye. So we're just gonna add some steak and other meals for the week. So I'm gonna make some in the oven fajitas that I got inspiration from a friend. Y'all, my cooking abilities have been slacking a little bit, so I need those recipes to make sure I'm staying on track with the flavors. So let's do this. I've got my Pinterest here to reference it, and I am starting this off with some olive oil and spices. Adding some lime juice. I'll reference this this recipe too in the link below. But I'm gonna add the shrimp and the fish. The shrimp and the steak at the very end, because they both are already cooked. Toss in the bell pepper and the onion. You could make this vegan or vegetarian if you wanted to by just adding vegetables and doing a roasted vegetable fajita. So I'm gonna let these go in for like 10 minutes and then I will take it out and add the meat. I'm just adding the meat to the bowl because there's already flavors in the bowl and it can get those. Garlic. That whenever I pull out the bell peppers and onions, I'm gonna stir those together with this and I just have to dump the bowl. It'll be so easy. While that's cooking, I did some dishes. Yum. Think we might take that out soon.